Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about area of a triangle. So we're going to talk about the different types real quick and where you would find your base and your height. So you got to remember that a triangle is half of a rectangle. So if I have a rectangle and I cut it in half, there's two triangles. Or even if I have a triangle like this, the rest is going to be a rectangle. So your formula is base times height divided by 2, or sometimes you'll see 1/2 base times height. In a right triangle, oops, let me fix that a little bit. In a right triangle, your base and your height are going to be right where you make a right angle. So you've got your base and your height, okay? In an obtuse triangle, your height is going to be here and your base is going to be here. It's not going to be this part, your height and your base. In an acute triangle, we have our base and our height. It's going to be right down the middle. Also kind of think it could be on the side like that, so that's why we kind of label it in the middle. So in this one, we have our base and we have our height. Remember, it's going to be where you have a right angle. So this 2 is extra information. Just so you know, it's never going to be a slanted line, so don't let that trick you. So you are going to do 5 times 7, 5.5 times 7, and then divide it by 2, because remember, it's still half. So type into your calculator. You would do 5.5 times 7 and get 38.5 divided by 2, and you get 19.25. And then our units are going to be inches, but remember, we have perimeter, area, and volume. I always do 1, 2, 3. So we have area, so it's going to be inches squared. Area is always squared. Perimeter, remember, that's the outside around. That's just your units by itself. Area is squared, and then volume is cubed. So for this answer is 19.25 inches squared. Go ahead and do number 1, 2, and 3 on your sheet, and then you can check the key.